Hey guys, and welcome back to another new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change font in Notion. So simply open the Notion app and go to the private sections and simply select the page that you want to change the font style. And at the top right corner you will see these three dot option. Simply tap on here, and here you can see these three font. You can choose any of them from here, or you can also choose some of these options. As you can see, if you want to small your text, simply turn on these options, or here you will see some more options, as like you can also lock your page full width as it's, or here you can also customize your page and see. So there's a way how you can change font in your Notion page. Hope this video find to help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more tips and tricks, and keep in touch with us.